Why black window frames make a difference. Dear friends, window frames are a crucial element of architectural design. They not only help in defining the style and shape of the house but also make a huge difference in how the interior appears. The first thing you notice when you see a house is its window frame. A lot of people think that the sole purpose of a window frame is to keep out winter cold and summer heat, but it's not. Window frames are more than just functional elements that serve as a framing device for windows. They also provide protection from UV rays and insulation against noise pollution too. In addition to these functions, there are some aesthetic benefits available to window frames too. While colors set the mood of a room, window frames make the room more elegant. The color black also makes the frames look larger than they actually are. There are many benefits to including them in your design, so let's dive in and understand why black window frames make a difference. Being recognized. A lot of homeowners search for home window frames because they can add a lot of style and value to their homes. Black window frames are becoming a very popular choice for many homeowners. These frames not only make the windows stand out but also the home. Beats the heat. There are a lot of windows and window frames that get damaged or broken due to harsh weather conditions. It is very annoying when you see your windows looking really bad. Black window frames are popular and are commonly used in older buildings that are made of brick. Black window frames create a nice contrast to the brick. The frame absorbs the heat, while the brick prevents it from being released. Effortless style. The shade of black inspires mystery and elegance. Black frames have often been used in decoration as they have a deep and mysterious look. The use of black frames in any place also lends it a stylish and more modern look. Black window frames are an inexpensive way to update the appearance of your home. No matter what style your home is, a black window frame will make it look more modern and expensive and will also keep you warmer in winters and cooler in summers. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.